Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today is another episode in my series Palette of the Week. This week's episode is going to be something I haven't done in a while. I am going to be trying to recreate somebody else's tutorial. So I really wanted to do something with this palette, the Celestial Storm by Dominique Cosmetics. I was like, how about I recreate a really cool look done by somebody with this palette? So I searched all over YouTube and I found this look by this girl. Hold on, what is her name? I will have her linked down below, but her name is Bianca Fernarello, and she did this beautiful look right here, which I am going to attempt to recreate with this palette today. I have already done all of my face makeup, so we're just doing the eyes today. And in case you're wondering why I have shiny purple cheeks, is because I decided to use these two eyeshadows as blush. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but it's done. And this one is the Beauty Bar Baby Original Unicorns and Rainbows palette, if you're wondering what eyeshadows I was using for blush. But yeah, let's zoom in and try and recreate that masterpiece. All right, I have my headphone in so I can hear what she's doing. And she starts off with Lucid Dream and a packing brush. Okay, where are you gonna pack it? In the crease. In the crease. Okay, we can pack it in the crease. And because I put concealer down, we already have creasing. Awesome. Okay, that's intense in the crease. Let's do the other eye and pat out those creases first instead of after we lay down the color. Okay, she's taking the Mauve Obsessions from Huda Beauty. Oh, gotta grab that. I have it. And she's taking this color and using that to blend out the Lucid Dream. I think she nailed it, picking this shade from this palette to blend it with. That's perfect. Okay, so she said she cut her crease off camera, so I'm just gonna try and do this really quick. I'm so terrible at cut creases, but we're gonna wing it. I don't know if she did a half cut crease or a full cut crease. It looks like she did like not the full way, so we'll go the full way. Okay, I'm just gonna take this tiny brush and Lucid Dream and sort of go over the edges of where I cut to make it straighter, because I kind of messed that up. Alright, then I'm going to take my white concealer from ColourPop and a cut crease brush from Sigma. Which way does this go? This way. And just fill in the area that I cleaned out. I'm trying to watch the video and figure out what she put in her cut crease, and she didn't. I mean, maybe I missed when she said it, but I didn't hear her say what shade she used on the lid. So it looks like a mixture of these two shades, so Mystic Ice and Stargaze. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in first with Mystic Ice. Again, gonna take that detail brush and blend over the parts where I got out of line. And then take Stargaze, the blue shimmer, and I think I am going to wet it with my setting spray and layer that on top. Okay, so we got, I think, where she's at right now. Okay, so she's going in with more Lucid Dream and blending the outer edge. And then she says she's taking a deep purple. She pointed to the mauve palette, to this one, but I think I want to mix the purple in here, Astrid Lust and that color. Ooh. I'm gonna take a clean brush and dust away the fallout. That is looking pretty. I think I want to do one step further than what she did and jump into black water. This one right here. Right here. This dark, like, purpley black shimmer. And just tap that on the transition area between the purple and the blue to really make that edge disappear. I'm just gonna blend back over the edges with the Lucid Dream color. Okay, so she says she does a smaller cut crease and does the orange with a gold glitter, which I think I have the same exact gold glitter she's... right here. This gold glitter is the one she showed. So I have that. Can I do a smaller cut crease? I don't know. Let's try it. Oh, wow, this is turning out to be more advanced than I planned for. Okay. Just a teensy. Okay, so I just cleaned that area, and now I'm gonna take some sort of liner brush, this one, and more of that white concealer and fill in that area that I just cut out. Okay, so I managed to get a lot of eyeliner on, or concealer on my lashes, but it's cut out. So I'm going to take a Sigma brow brush and the orange color Lunar Eclipse and mix that with the orange shimmer Fireball. Just get the brush loaded up with both of those and pat that on the white line. So I have the orange liner on, so now time for the glitter. Okay, so glitter liner is on, so let's watch what the next part is. Oh, she already has her lashes and lower lash line on. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna figure it out. So on my waterline, I'm gonna take this Decay Goddess pencil. It's like a glittery dark blue. Then with a definer brush, I'm going to take the dark purple and the bright purple and put those right up against the outer half. Then I'm going to take Lucid Dream and smudge that out. Alright, so that's all I'm doing for the lower lash line, and she put on lashes, but I feel like my eyes are already feeling itchy and irritated enough, so lashes would be a bad idea. So I'm just taking Essence Lash Princess. Okay, so it looks like she put on some inner corner highlight and some brow bone highlight as well. So I don't want to really use any of these colors, so I'm just gonna go in to this all shimmer palette that I have right here, and I'm going to mix together the light pink shimmer and the champagne-y shimmer and just blend that on the inner corner. Alright, so this is the finished look, and I think it looks really pretty. I don't think it looks exactly like hers, but her video was, no offense, kind of hard to follow because she's like, my camera stopped filming so I couldn't show you this, and like, so there were parts I missed and had to figure out on my own, but I think it's pretty. And I'm happy with it, and I do really love this palette. I know this palette got a lot of hate when it first came out, but I think the mattes are super pigmented. I think the shimmers are beautiful. I think it's a really fun color story. I don't know. How do you guys think I did? Do you guys think I recreated the look well? And should I do this again? Tell me somebody's look I should recreate. Let me know down below. And also, please go show love to Bianca because she created a beautiful look, and thank you to her for putting it out there so I could copy it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!